You searched how to buy shares of Caisse Regionale de Credit Agricole Mutuel du Languedoc, a regional banking cooperative of the Credit Agricole Group listed on Euronext under the ticker CRLA.PA. This is an educational overview, not investment advice, so please research and consider the risks before acting. To buy this stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example platform to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CRLA.PA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing for Caisse Regionale to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart, checking the name and market details. Confirm that the page shows Caisse Regionale de Credit Agricole Mutuel du Languedoc on Euronext before proceeding. Tap the Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may queue as a market or limit order, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and manage orders. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same process.